Today I'm going to show you how to get these French floral tips. After properly prepping the nails, apply 1 coat of OPI natural nail base coat to the entire nail. Don't forget to cap the free edge. Let that dry, and then apply a coat of OPI Bare My Soul. Let that dry, and then repeat with another coat. Use OPI, Alpine Snow, and a detail brush, and create different size petals throughout the tip of the nail. Add a dot to the center of each nail using Exotic Birds Do Not Tweet. Create leaves using My Dog Sled is a Hybrid. Once you're happy with your look, apply a coat of OPI Nail Lacquer Top Coat to the entire nail. Don't forget to cap the free edge to seal in your design.